What is Wealthy Affiliate? Wealthy Affiliate is the best online marketing school that teaches affiliate marketing. At Wealthy Affiliate, there are two separate courses. One that will teach you to make money with a website built around your passion. The other is a course to teach you how to make money by promoting Wealthy Affiliate. Either course is proven to work, but need time and effort to see results, about 3 months. Does this sound like a scam to you? Wealthy Affiliate offers a 100% free membership that gives you the first 10 videos from each course. There is enough information there for you to make the decision to stay and upgrade or leave. There is no credit card info needed for the free trial. With the free membership, you get 7 days of access to the first levels of training, 2 free websites to start and work with, 7 days of the live chat, where you can ask questions all day and get answers. You even get direct access to me and the creators of Wealthy Affiliate. If you decide to upgrade to the premium membership, the online world starts to open up. Try and finish the free lessons before deciding to upgrade. Click the link below to sign up now. Thanks. I hope to see you on the inside.